So Scott, I've been thinking a lot lately.
About?
I think I'm gonna swap Marla with a coyote.
What? Why?
Cause all them horsepowers.
I don't think you should do that. I mean,
I think
are you really serious about that?
Yeah, I've already sold the 7M and all the parts.
What is up, everybody? So today is a pretty significant day in the engine build of the G54B. Today we're gonna be putting the head on the block, and then we're gonna try and get the rear main seal on so that we can put the oil pan on. Then the engine's pretty much ready to go back in, other than, you know, all other stuff that goes around it. All right, so when you're using the ARP studs, when you put them in, just make sure they're hand tight and snugged with the Allen key. So now we're gonna put on our Ajusa metal head gasket.
Probably the wrong gasket.
I'm sure it is. Everything's been wrong so far. So, someone had a good idea for another punishment. Someone said that the loser has to get make sure what he said.
We already said no tattoos.
No, it's not a tattoo. It's nothing. It's something that can be changed if you want it.
Well, so can tattoos.
Well, it's not a tattoo.
Okay.
Custom license plate that the winner chooses for the loser. Like a vanity plate, I guess.
That's a good idea.
That one goes in the hat.
Yeah.
All right. So when you're torquing the head studs down with the ARP head studs, torque setting is 80 foot-pounds with the ARP Molly lube. If you're just using, 30 weight oil, it's 120 foot-pounds. Blammo! Throw it back in, start it up. Oops. Well, I went this one first and then that one. So then that.
Okay, I'm with you.
Wait, well, you made a face.
Because this is the weirdest looking 4G63 I've ever seen. Isn't that the only motor that Mitsubishi makes? Oh wait, this is Chrysler. I forgot.
That's right.
So are you gonna get a Mopar or Nogar sticker?
All right.
You forgot to.
Yeah. All right, so we got the head all torqued down to the specifications. So now we're gonna see if we can get this rear main seal on so we can put the oil pan on. You excited? All right, so what we're gonna have to do to get the rear main seal on, we're gonna have to loosen up these engine stand bolts so that we can slide it up underneath. Is that one tight?
Not done yet.
Oh, okay.
I used the open end of the wrench. On that one, I was just trying to snug it up. Snug all of them up.
Think I can have this done in a month? Well, it's not gonna be a month, really. Because I only can work on it on Sunday mornings. So that's really, let's see.
4 days.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I got 4 days to get this running. If I want to make my goal.
You might have to be doing some solo stuff. So if you could get the, what do you call it?
What?
Finish the valve train off
Yeah.
and get that adjusted. Are you gonna put all your accessories on outside or inside?
Well, like alternator and air conditioning and
Yeah. Are you just gonna set the motor down inside? Or are you gonna try to do everything so whenever you set it down in there?
It'd probably be easier just to put everything on here, right?
Yeah, as long as you can still reach everything. Like get to the bolts, like the mounting, the
Oh.
what do you call it? Motor mount bolts.
Yeah, that's the thing.
I don't remember how much of a pain it was to get like the AC and the power steering and
Me either. That was a year ago. Over a year ago.
yeah.
All right. Rear main seal is on. So now we're gonna flip it over. Put that oil pan on. Earl pan.
Earl?
Anything this new shirt we got?
Hey, ho, let's go.
If there's any Ramones fans out there and you like turbos, this shirt's for you. So go to sandrmotoring.com and get one right now.
Here she blows.
Hello, bottom end. Haven't seen you in a while.
How's that crank spinning?
It's not.
Other way.
Oh yeah.
Shit all over my hands.
All right, it's starting to look like a motor again. We got the head on and the oil pan on, but that's gonna do it for today. Next time, I'm gonna put the valve train on. I actually have, someone sent me a mechanical rocker assembly, so I'm gonna use that with the stock cam for right now. But yeah, it's gonna do it for today.
If you want some cool new duds, especially a Ramon style SNR motoring shirt, get your very own, sandrmotoring.com.
And as always, we thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
See ya.
Keep on motoring.